Sometimes it's good to just get away, whether it be by yourself, with loved ones. Just get away and hit the reset button. Despite whatever's going on in your life. Just get away, go somewhere nice, peaceful, feel that ocean breeze, and just leave everything else alone. Say, you know what, life, you're being too much right now. I need to get away from you. I need this opportunity to be able to hit the reset button in my personal life. Ultimately, what that allows you to do, and this is of my belief and through my experience, when you're able to hit the reset button, when you're able to hit pause, reset, start over, whether that reset button is 2, 3 days, for some folks it might be 2 to 3 hours. But you're able to recollect yourself and understand what it is important, what it is, why you do what you do, and reflect on how hard you have worked, because you shouldn't be taking a reset if you haven't worked your butt off. You can't play hard if you don't work hard. But as for myself, I'm not trying to chastise anybody or patronize anybody. But I really believe in hitting that reset button. Not your game console. I'm talking about the proverbial reset button in life. Taking a second, gathering your thoughts, gathering yourself, relax, decompress, and get back at it again. By the time you see this, I'll be back at it again. But this is one of those moments where I'm just, I don't need, hey, leave me alone. I'm doing me right now. It's just chill. So, it's been a pleasure. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night.